Ceramic plates are versatile materials used across various industries. ATCERA offers a range of ceramic plates, including alumina, zirconia, silicon carbide, and quartz, each with unique properties. Alumina offers comprehensive performance, while zirconia provides the best toughness. Silicon carbide excels in thermal conductivity and hardness. Quartz plates boast excellent light transmission and thermal shock resistance. In mechanical engineering, alumina and zirconia plates are valued for their high hardness and wear resistance, making them ideal for anti-wear components. In high-temperature refractory industries, alumina and zirconia toughened alumina plates withstand harsh conditions, perfect for thermal insulation. For chemical and metallurgical applications, alumina, zirconia, and silicon carbide plates resist corrosion and high temperatures, suitable for reaction vessels and heating plates. In the military, silicon carbide and alumina plates are used for body armor and protective devices due to their high hardness and low density. ATCERA not only provides standard products, but also customizes solutions based on user requirements, ensuring optimized products and services for every application.